Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add gradient color to text in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could scroll down and hit the subscribe button and the like button for this video, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. So to begin with, we are going to go to the left-hand side and we're going to click on this button that says Elements. We are then going to type in the color that we would like. So we're going to do orange and then we're going to say gradient. And then we're going to press enter. And then what you're going to do is you are going to see which one that you like the most. So I'm going to click on this one here as I think it looks like a sunset. So that's really pretty. So we clicked on that and I'm just now going to adjust it size to fit my template on Canva. There we go. I am then going to click on the text button here on the left hand side. I'm going to click on add a heading and then I'm just going to type in hello. So here we go, and then I'm just going to make that bigger for the right size, and if you want to you can go up to the top left here and you can click on a different font and choose whatever that you would like. I quite like that font, so I'm gonna have it, I quite like it nice and bold. There we go. You can also change the size if you want to and have it however big that you want. So I'm just going to change the color of the text. So I'm going to come up to this capital A with the color bar underneath, and then I'm just going to make it white. I am then going to go up to this transparency button here at the top. I'm going to bring that down to about 50%. Let's have a look. There we go. So bring that down there. And then I'm going to go up to the top right here and I am going to download this image. So I'm going to click on share and then going to go to download, and you want to download it as either a PNG or a JPEG. So I will just press download. And then what we need to do is we need to go and create a new image. So I'm now going to go up to file here in the top left, and I am now going to go down and press create new design. I'm going to do a logo, and then it's going to bring up a brand new design for us, blank design on Canva. We then need to upload our image that we just created. So if we go to the left column and click on uploads, then go to upload files, I'm going to go to my download, and as you can see, there it is. So double click on that. Canva is then loading it in. So what I then do is click on it and it has now brought that up for us. So here we go. So I'm just going to readjust the size, make it nice and big. If we then go up to edit photo in the top left, and as you can see, we have got this BG remover, which is the background remover. So if we click on that, and it would just take a couple of seconds, and there we go. Canva has now removed the background for us, so we are now just left with that gorgeous sunset looking text. So we can also edit this further by going to adjust in the top left, and then you can scroll down, and so you can add vibrancy, so you can increase that, saturation, you can increase that too, and however you want to edit and make your text stand out, you can go ahead and do that here under the adjust column. And there you go. That is how you add gradient color to text in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you found it useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us, and we'll see you guys in the next one.